Today's topic is about interfering RNA. RNA molecule is needed for the protein formation or simple for the translation. But this RNA function that is interfered with the help of same RNA molecule, and that is called a RNA interfering molecule. So it is found that when double-stranded RNA molecule was introduced into worms, it would silence the gene corresponding to that RNA molecule. So short double-strand RNA, again about 21 to 25 nitrogen bases, would silence the corresponding gene. The RNA interference is a faster way to turn off the genes. Once that gene is turned off, protein formation from that particular gene will not occur in the cell. Both RNA interference and microRNA result in a decreased level of functional protein in the cell. So if functional protein is not there, then particular cell activity will also affected. Sometimes some disease leading to the excessive production of functional protein that is unnecessary. So that can also be silenced with the help of RNA interference or microRNA. So in this picture we will look that exactly how this interfering RNA is working biologically. First, chromatin, over that RNA polymerase 2, which is also responsible for the mRNA formation, that is also same synthesizing pre-microRNA. Now once it is synthesized in the nucleus, with the help of nucleopore it will go in the cytoplasm. Once in the cytoplasm, that is with the help of dicer enzyme converted into the short hairpin RNA. Now the short hairpin RNA further combine and making a RNA induced silencing complex formation. This RNA induced silencing complex formation that is finally combined with the mRNA molecule, and that will lead to the degradation of the mRNA. So this about the microRNA induced degradation of mRNA. Same thing is possible when small interfering RNA is given, that can also lead to the formation of RNA induced silencing complex, and that is also leading to the degradation of mRNA. So in detail of this, RNA interference is a naturally occurring biological pathway. Exogenous manipulation of this RNA interference is being explored as a powerful method of silencing disease causing gene, some gene mutation that is creating disease. So that gene can be particular silence, and if that gene is silenced, then abnormal protein formation we can stop. So is utilized for incurable neurological disorder. So it is giving some hope against this some genetic disorder. So preclinical trials in animals are being conducted. Inside the host cell, the DNA is transported to the nucleus, where it is transcribed into the encoded RNA molecule. So this DNA directed RNA interference, the RNA interference pathway is initiated with the help of enzyme dicer. This dicer enzyme is a center part for this microRNA and RNA interference, which cleaves long double-stranded RNA into a small interfering RNA. So this dicer enzyme is most important for this making of small interfering RNA molecule formation. So each small interfering RNA is unwound into a two single-stranded RNA. So these two strand, one strand is called a passenger strand and another that is called a guide strand. This passenger strand is generally degraded inside the cell, and the guide strand is incorporated into the RNA induced silencing complex formation, that is RISC formation. So again that double stranded RNA that is making HS hairpin structured that RNA molecule. So that is further two strand of or double stranded RNA molecule. Out of that two strand, one strand is working as a passenger strand, another that is guide strand. Once this guide strand attached with the RNA induced silencing complex formation, then it is attached over the mRNA, and once it is attached over the mRNA, that is leading to the degradation of mRNA, and that is considered as gene silencing. So the guide strand pairs with the complementary sequence of mRNA molecule and induce cleavage by the catalytic component of the RNA induced silencing complex. Thus the mRNA is finally degraded, so protein will not synthesize. The siRNA silence the genes only transiently, and this procedure will occur for the one mRNA. So we need permanent solution, so we need constant that siRNA molecule, means small interfering inside the cell. So double stranded But these DNA directed RNA interference are continuously transcript, replacing the cellular short hairpin RNA molecule. So that is able to provide continuously that short hairpin RNA molecule. Thus the targeted genes can be silenced for a longer duration. So that can provide hope against some particular genetic disorder, and that is the advantage, or that can be future use of the interfering RNA.